Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel. My name is Hunter, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, you're living under a rock and you totally should be subscribed. Well, for today's video, we are going to bring the dogs to Rutledge Falls. I know you've seen in my last video where you've seen Nala take pictures at Rutledge. Nala's been to Rutledge, but like the front part. Not completely to Rutledge, like into the falls and everything like that. So we're going to bring the dogs there today. But first, I have to go finish some things for my job. And then I will come back and pick Caleb and the dogs up. And then we'll go to Rutledge and have a good old time. Let's go.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Alright guys, we are on our way to Rutledge. We stopped by a gas station so Caleb can get his dip. The two dogs are in the back seat waiting to get out and to get to Rutledge. I had to stop by Walmart and get them some leashes and vests because they don't have any. I don't bring my dogs outside to go use the bathroom. I am teaching them how to use a litter box. If you want a video explaining why I'm doing that, just comment down below. But yeah, so we had to go get vests and leashes because I don't need them going into the water. So yeah. Anyway, we will see you when you get to Rutledge.
She's just like, I did not like that one bit.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow